Thank you. I just have a few questions. Are you representing Providence Hospital, or could you speak on their behalf, doctor?
I am coming as a physician. Dr. Solana Walkinshaw
Okay.
is our chief of staffs. I think any of us could certainly answer your questions. You have all of us here.
Thank you. So if you don't mind, Chair, I just have three that will probably just follow up, if that's all right.
Go ahead, Ms. Allard.
Thank you. Is it true that Providence Hospital is preventing or not telling patients and or the general public of methods of treatment to combat COVID because Providence doesn't want to discourage people from taking the vaccine?
That is not true.
Have you given alternate means of people to combat COVID yourself, given them other solutions?
Can you clarify what you're asking? I'm not sure what your question is.
Have you spoken to any patients giving them advice on other ways to combat COVID so that you don't discourage them from taking the vaccine?
I honestly do not understand what you're saying.
Have you given any advice to patients, asking them or telling them there are other ways to stay healthy to combat COVID?
Oh, of course.
You
Yes.
have?
Yes, we counsel our patients on how to stay healthy every day.
Okay, and to how to combat COVID?
There's one way to combat COVID, and that's vaccination.
Okay, so are you giving them other methods besides the vaccine?
So I'd like to speak to that because I do that
But I'm not
every day.
asking you, I'm asking her.
Would you like to defer to me? Okay. All right, so she would like to defer to me.
Thank you, Chair. So I have another question. You can answer this one if you'd like. Do you work at Providence then?
We both do.
Okay. So can you tell me how many unstaffed beds are at Providence right now?
I can answer your prior question
So
if
you
it is
can't answer
relevant.
this one?
No,
I'm not going
because
to go
I'm
back and
not
forth with you. I'm
administration.
asking you a question. If you can't answer it, that's okay. I can go to
Yeah,
another doctor.
sure.
Ms. Allard, we may need to move on.
Okay. So then,
Do you want to
is there-
rephrase, or do you have a final question?
Yeah, I just have one last one, and
Okay.
any of you guys can answer it. Has any care been denied from Providence Hospital at all? Have you turned any patients away from Providence Hospital?
We do not turn patients away, and we cannot accept a patient when we don't have a bed for them. We
Okay.
cannot accept a patient in transfer when we do not have a bed for them.
So I just need, just so I can clarify and understand your answer, have you currently turned any patients away from Providence Hospital?
We do not turn any patients away.
Thank you. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Allard. Ms. Quinn Davidson?